Hi guys, I'm Muskan Asal with Speakwell Institute and currently I'm standing Salempur and today we are talking about IPL which has started on 22 March and there are three such big teams like is RCB, CSK, MI and KKR. So let's go to know the peoples that according to them which team will win this IPL trophy. Hi buddy,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm extremely well. So may I talk to you for a while about IPL?
Yeah, sure, you can.
Okay, so first of all, tell me what's your name?
Myself, Raj.
Well, Mr. Raj, do you like to watch IPL?
Yeah, I really like too much to watching IPL.
Okay, so absolutely you know about IPL has started on 22 March and at this present time there is the fever of IPL.
Yeah.
But people are just talking about IPL. Means some people think like that this team will win this IPL and some people think that that team will win this IPL. So I'm talking to you and I want to asking to you that according to you which team will win this IPL?
From my perspective, I think that CSK is going to be win this IPL.
Can I know the reason?
Yeah, sure. As you know that if we talk about the CSK team, all the players are in the rhythm, and they are playing very well for CSK team.
Yes.
If I talk about the captaincy of Ruturaj Gaikwad, the captaincy of him is so well as compared to every captain like Hardik Pandya or Rishabh Pant. And if I talk about the bowling style and the if I talk about the means Moin Ali or Ravindra Jadeja, he have taken many wickets in IPL career, and the performance of such kind of player are so well in 2024. And you all already know that CSK have 5 titles of IPL.
Yes.
And nowadays in 2024 is playing so wondrous as compared to any team. So from my perspective, I think that IPL titles of 2024 is going to be taken by CSK team.
Okay. But Mr. What do you think about that RCB team? You know that RCB team are also play
Yes.
very extremely well. And apart from this, if you see the RCB players, then
Yeah.
RCB players are really big hitters and power hitters
Yeah.
like is Virat Kohli.
Yes.
You know that people are saying Virat Kohli is the king of cricket. So what do you
Yeah,
say
yeah.
about that?
I know he's a king of cricket, but he don't have any titles of
Yes.
IPL, and
Yes.
you know that he's not. This team is not winning any matches in 2024, and he don't have any titles as well. So I think that RCB won't win this IPL in 2024. If I talk about MS Dhoni, who is just playing for CSK team, you know that his keeping style, how delicious he keeping in any match, and he give his 100 out of 100 in anywhere when he's playing against any team. So I think that all are very well in CSK team. The performance and the technique and all are things so well. So I think that CSK will win this IPL in 2024.
Okay. So means according to your statement, you are the big fan of CSK team.
Yeah, I really big fan of that.
Okay. Oh my God. Then I want to ask you that. Please tell me. I request you. Please tell me something about other team.
Yeah, if I talk about RR Rajasthan Royals, then he's playing very well. But if I talk about the titles, he don't have any titles yet. But nowadays in 2024, he's playing so well. So it can be that RR will win this IPL. But I think in my 100 out of 100 opinion, I'm going to give 100 out of 100 to CSK team. Well, because I believe 100 that CSK team will win this IPL in 2024.
Okay. My means you feel 100% that CSK will win this IPL.
Sure, CSK is
Okay.
going to
Thank you. Hi, Miss.
Hello.
May I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Beauty Kumari Gaur.
Well, Miss Beauty, do you like to watch IPL?
Yeah.
Okay. So you know that IPL has started on 22 March.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know about ma'am, in IPLs, very awesome and wonderful teams are playing like is CSK, RCB, KKR and MI. So according to you, who is your favorite IPL player?
My IPL player favorite is Rohit Sharma
Can I know the reason?
because he always play the well, and whenever he start the playing and all audience give the respect.
Yes.
And you also know that he win the 5 times, and in 2023 also win, and you also saw the 27 March IPL that
Yes,
time he also win. That's why I can say that my team is going to win.
Okay, I agree with that. My team won 5 time IPL trophy, but you know, in previous IPL, the Rohit Sharma as a captain, but nowadays Hardik Pandya as a captain, and people are think like that. Hardik Pandya have no experience to how to handle the captain role. So, what do you say about that?
You know, Miss, and Hardik Pandya nowadays also play the well, and you also saw the 27 March matches.
Yes,
That
yes,
time he their captaining things is very well.
Okay, okay. Thank you for giving me amazing opinion. Could I know what's your name?
Mine is myself, Anu Sharma.
Well, Mr. Anuj, do you like to watch the IPL?
Yes, of course.
Okay, then you know that at this time IPL has started.
Yeah,
Okay, and you know that peoples are only comparing the two teams, neither CSK nor RCB, and majority of the people think like that. Only both teams, neither CSK nor RCB won. So, according to you, which team would you prepare to win this trophy?
no, ma'am, you are totally wrong because the Rajasthan. I am big fan of Rajasthan. And
Oh
I
my
would
God,
prepare-
you okay?
I would prepare Rajasthan Royals will win in this season.
Can I know the reason?
Yes, because in the Rajasthan have lots of power hitter batsmen, and there are means good spinner in the Rajasthan. And you already know Yuzvendra Chahal. He is the clever, experienced
Oh.
bowler. That's why I'm saying that.
Okay, but you know about, I'm really shocked to how can I explain my views, because whenever I talk to the people are only supporting neither RCB nor CSK,
No,
and
ma'am.
you know that you are the first person that you support the RR team. I'm really shocked. So you know about that. If I say that the people are saying that CSK won a 5 time IPLs, and you know that in CSK the very classic and power hitters players like is MS Dhoni, and people are say that MS Dhoni he is the god of cricket, and he won a more and more trophy. Thus trophy never won that much trophy never won any
Yes, yes.
any player. So what do you say about that?
You are see previous match. In
Yes, of course I
RCB
see.
versus Rajasthan.
Yes, yes,
Why
yes.
RCB lose that match?
I agree with that
Because-
RCB lose that match, but you know when I was talk with the RCB fan, then he said that RCB lost that match,
No, no,
but
no, I will
some mistakes, that's why
I
they.
give
But
answer,
it
I give
doesn't.
answer.
But they won a lots of trophy. It doesn't matter. They won a one. They lose one match. That they lost that match, the final match. It doesn't happen like that.
Only one player beat means higher run. That is the not matter. The team is win. In all means all team are support means full support in all team. That team will win. Means
I
match.
think Mr.
And that is means that is the Rajasthan. player.
Okay, I agree with that, but you know that you say that one team will play the better than is the
Yeah.
never won
Yes,
the
of course.
but it's wrong, mister, because you see, I give an example of that. If we play any game and if in that one teams one players are best, then that according to that person the team was won. So how can you say
No,
that?
no, miss, you are totally wrong because you already know, miss, in past previous match, RCB versus Rajasthan, then Virat Kohli made means century. Then also then already means means RCB lose that match. Why? Because Rajasthan have lots of power hitter batsmen. Means Butler, Josh
Yes,
Butler, and
yes,
you already
yes.
know my favorite player is
Oh.
Sanju Samson. Is
Oh
my
God.
favorite player. That's why
Oh
I'm
my
saying
God.
that. And I
Okay.
always support Rajasthan.
Okay, means you are a very big fan
Yes,
of
of course.
our team. Okay, thank you for Hi, Baji.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. So, may I talk to you about cricket?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. So, do you like to see the cricket?
Yeah, I like so much.
Oh, so you know that then you absolutely know that IPL has started on 22 March.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know that in IPLs, in IPL, very wonderful and amazing teams are playing, such as RCB, KKR, MI, and CSK. So, according to you, which is going to win this IPL trophy?
To my mind, it have one and only one team in this IPL season is going to win in this IPL season, and that team is CSK.
Oh my God! Why? Can I know the reason?
Because I'm the great fan of CSK, and the CSK in the CSK team they had a very lethal batsman and classy,
and many more decent bowlers in this their team in this team.
You know, Mr. What means, you know that I talk to most of the peoples, and everybody is most of the majority of the peoples are supporting the CSK. But you know that MI are also won the 5 times CSK. I mean to say that won the 5 time IPL trophy, and MI are also won the 5 time IPL trophy. Then what's the difference between that? Majority of the people are supporting the CSK won this IPL trophy.
Because in this CSK team, MS Dhoni is playing in a CSK team.
Yes,
So that I think all people should support the CSK because Dhoni is a name of Captain Cool and he played the very wonderful and made the run in crucial moments and made win the all matches.
Yes, you know that most of the people say that MS is the god of cricket, okay? And you know that the one news are in the trending that in a previous IPL season the Hardik Pandya as a captain, but nowadays Rohit Sharma as a captain. So what do you say about that? I mean to say that previous time the Rohit Sharma as a captain and nowadays Hardik Pandya as the captain. So what do you say about that?
I think Hardik Pandya is not a good captain. I think he is and also he is not play well in IPL season. And in comparison to CSK team Ruturaj Gaikwad is a captain. But and he do the captaincy of guidelines in Captain Cool. And Captain Cool also is a very decent captain.
Yes.
So I think that CSK is going to win in this IPL season.
Okay, you know that could you please tell me which types of quality they have Hardik Pandya? They have that he's a good captain. Which types of quality if they have, then they can become a good captain?
But Hardik Pandya is not lead to team in very well. But I think Rohit Sharma is a good captain in the MI team. But now this time Rohit Sharma is not a captain in MI team, and I think that this is a problem of MI team. And Hardik Pandya is not support the team, and so is this time MI is a very worst team in this IPL.
Okay, Miss. May I know what's your name?
My name is Antima Yadav.
Well, Miss Antima, your name is so cute. So, do you like to watch the cricket?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so you know about cricket.
Yeah.
Okay, so and if you know about cricket, then you are absolutely know that nowadays the fever of cricket. Okay, at this present time, everyone just talking about IPLs everywhere. Neither railway station, bus station, shops, anywhere people are just talking about IPL. So, according to you, who will win this IPL?
According to me, RCB will win in this IPL.
May I know the reason?
Yeah.
Can you please tell me?
You know, means this team is very strong and it is a famous team, and there are some qualities batsmen and bowlers in this team.
Yes.
Like as Virat,
Yes,
Miss Maxwell Green, Siraj. You know, means Virat is a very famous and Indian cricketer.
Yes.
He is a play very amazing and really awesome. You know, means they are bowling style is very awesome, and so I can say I think RCB will in this IPL.
Yes, man. Means whenever in the IPLs RCB plays that everyone are far out. RCB fans are far out. They feel like that only RCB win this IPL. So I think that you also are the big fan of RCB team.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Then you know that if we say about that, then unfortunately, RCB never won any IPL trophy. So how can you say that this time RCB won this IPL trophy?
Don't matter win the IPL. It matter is they are playing style is very amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you know that if we see about that CSK team, because you know that most of the people are think like that CSK will win this IPL trophy, because in CSK lots of attacking power hitters and dominant players like is MS Dhoni, Nishan Sindhu, and so many more. And you know that MS Dhoni is the god of cricket. Okay, and whenever they play the cricket, then everybody shocked, and everybody just feel like that he's the attacking Batman. So what do you say about that?
No means Virat is the king of cricket team. Yeah.
Yes.
And
If Virat is the king of cricket, then people are think that MS is the god of cricket, ma'am.
no means our people like the Virat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you for giving me your amazing brain opportunity.
Yeah, myself Aryan Yadav.
Well, Mr. Aryan, you know about the. Do you know about cricket?
Yeah, I absolutely know cricket.
Okay, then you know that nowadays IPL is starting.
Yeah, is
Okay, you know about that. That you know that they nowadays in IPL very dominant and classics teams are playing like a CSK, RCB, KKR, and MI. So according to you, which is going to win this IPL trophy?
according to you, Mumbai Indians won the 2024 titles.
Mumbai Indians.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I am sure.
Oh my God! You know, most of the people think like that RCB or CSK won the IPL trophy. Means a little bit person think like that Mumbai Indians will win this IPL trophy. So I have no expression to how to express my expression. So I want to ask you that what's the reason that you feel like that MI will win this IPL trophy?
Because ma'am, Mumbai Indians have a very dangerous players like Rohit Sharma, Ishan Kishan, and Surya Kumar Yadav, and bowling department very dangerous bowler like Bumrah and Akash Madwal here. And you know our Mumbai team have won of 5-time titles, and he very dangerous of finals, and he go to qualify a qualifier match like as 2050 matches, 2070 match, and so many matches. I example for you.
Okay, but you know, Mr. Sorry for this, Mr. Aryan. You know about that? You said that MI team won this IPL trophy because MI won a 5-time IPL trophy, yeah. But you know, in previous IPL season, the Rohit Sharma as a captain, okay. But nowadays, Hardik Pandya is the captain, and it is a very trending question, and people are think like that. Hardik Pandya have no talent to handle the role of captain, and you know that whenever the Hardik Pandya play in the ground, then people are saying like that he played like a chapri. So, what do you say about that?
But people don't understand of the Hardik Pandya captaincy. Like as you know already, before GT captaincy, he won of first times he won the title of 2023, and people like tell him because Rohit Sharma fans here Mumbai Indians, and he don't understand Rohit Sharma. He don't play after matches, and Rohit Sharma advice is always Hardik Pandya, and when Hardik Pandya, Rohit Sharma is not play, then Hardik Pandya he don't play well, because Rohit Sharma is always advice for Hardik Pandya, and so many more.
Yes, because according to you means if the Hardik Pandya guarding the means if Rohit Sharma guarding the Hardik Pandya, then Hardik Pandya handle the captain role, yeah, and they can better means they play better.
He learned the captaincy of Hardik Pandya.
Okay. Means Rohit Sharma guarding the Hardik Pandya to how to handle the captaincy.
And he learned the captaincy.
Okay. Thank you for giving me your wonderful opinion.
Yeah, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. So, may I know what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Subham Yadav.
Well, Mr. Subham, do you like to watch IPL?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, then you know that IPL has started on 22 March.
Yeah.
Okay, then you know that nowadays people are just think about IPLs, okay, and people are just talking about IPLs, and they are thinking like that team will win this IPL and this team will win this IPL. So according to you, which is going to win this IPL season?
Yeah, I think CSK team will going to final.
Okay, can I know the reason?
Yeah, because I think that team is a very mighty team, and they have a classic and lethal player.
Yes.
If I talk about MS Dhoni, then he's X Factor player.
Yes.
Yeah, and if I talk about Jadeja is the number one all rounder. Yeah.
That's why you feel like that CSK
Yeah.
will win this IPL season. Okay, but you know that CSK won a 5-time IPL trophy, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, then you know that MI are also won a 5-time IPL season. Okay, and if we see in RCB team, then in RCB team are very top qualities and attacking players like as Virat Kohli. You know that everyone's like Virat. Oh my God! You know that there is a means I can't explain my expression. Virat is a very expectable batsman. Okay, and whenever he plays, then fans of the Virat are unfiring, unattacking. They feel like that is an attacking batsman. Okay, and you know that they make a lots of centuries, they make a lots of record. They never broke any player. So what do you say about that?
Yeah, Virat already available in RBC team, RCB team, but he don't never go the a final. Why? Because
Yeah, I agree with that. RCB never won any IPL season, and people are, you know that the haters of RCB team are only use that points. RCB never won any IPL trophy. I agree with that, but you see only trophy, then it doesn't matter. You see the quality. Virat have quality.
yeah, I agree with you. But if I talk about Rituraj Gaikwad, Jadeja, then they have already quality, and
Yes,
they play very well. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opinion. So may I start? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I talk to you for a while?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like to watch the IPL?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. That according to you, which team will win this IPL season?
According to me, RCB will win in this IPL.
Can I know the reason?
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, it's a quality team, and there are some quality batsmen and bowler like as Virat, Maxwell Green, and Siraj. You know, this team players very consistent.
Yes.
And this team was very strong team compared to other teams.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
I think RCB will win in this IPL.
Okay.
And-
Thank you for
Hi,
giving
ma'am.
me a word.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Can I talk to you for a while?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So first of all, I want to know your name. So please tell me what's your name.
Myself Khushi Yadav from Nanar Pandey.
Okay, Miss Khushi. Do you like to watch the cricket?
Yeah.
Okay. So absolutely, you know that IPL has started on 22 March.
Yeah.
Okay. So you see the IPL.
Yeah, also see the IPL.
Okay, so you know that at this time the IPL is started, and in IPL very awesome and wonderful teams are playing like a CSK, RCB, KKR, MI. So according to you, which team will win this IPL season?
I also support RCB. Then I feel in this IPL win the RCB
Oh my God, can I know the reason?
because Virat is here, and Virat is a lethal batsman, and in the RCB team have a lethal batsman and bowlers. And I, from my point of view, RCB is much better than.
Okay, other teams, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know about you said that RCB team win this IPL season. I agree with that. And in RCB team, the Virat Kohli here, and if Virat Kohli here, then definitely RCB win. You feel like that.
Yeah.
Okay, but you know, in RCB team never won any IPL. It's unfortunately never won any IPL. But on the other hand, if you see the others team like as MI won 5 times, CSK won 5 times, KKR won 1 time, and KKR won 2 times, not 1 time, but RR won 1 time. So, but you see in RCB never won any time. So, you have any proof that this time RCB won IPL trophy?
Firstly, I tell you, ma'am, winning trophies does not matter. Winning heart is matter.
Oh.
RCB also winning hearts of all peoples. Then
Yes,
I feel that RCB will win in this time.
Okay, you know, whatever most of the peoples are supporting the RCB because in RCB Virat, okay,
Yeah.
and Virat is the king of cricket. Everybody know that whenever Virat are play in the ground, then everyone far out, and everybody think like this. Virat is the attacking player. So I think that you are a big fan of RCB.
Yeah, I'm RCB fans.
Okay, thank you. Can I know your name?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Aditya.
Well, Mr. Aditya, do you like to watch IPL?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, I
IPL.
Okay, so you know that in IPL is starting, and you know that here, at this present time there is a fever of IPL. People are just talking about IPL, IPL, IPL. But miss, everywhere we are seeing stops, stations, anywhere, bus station, railway station. Everywhere people are just talking about IPL. Okay, and you know that people are thinking like that. People are only comparing the two teams, RCB or CSK.
Yes.
You know, and majority of the people think like that only both teams are or RCB or CSK won this IPL trophy. So according to you, do you also feel like that RCB or CSK means one team will win this IPL season?
I think that CSK will win the IPL 2020 because he has a lot of classical batsmen available in CSK. He
Yes,
will
yes,
win the IPLs.
Okay, okay. Means you feel like that CSK won win this IPL season. IPL season, CSK.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. CSK.
Okay, but you know that most of the people think like that CSK will win this IPL trophy, and I think that the opinions of people's, most of the people are think like that CSK win this trophy. So I think that CSK definitely win this IPL trophy. Yeah.
Of course, ma'am.
Okay, so you know that in MI team I also win 5-time IPL trophy. Likewise, that much trophy win the CSK, that much trophy win the MI. And in MI, lots of classicals and attacking players like as Hardik Pandya, Surya Kumar Yadav, and Rohit Sharma. You know that. So please tell me something about MI team.
But you know that, ma'am, doesn't matter how many match win in IPL, but doesn't matter which type of players available in
Yes.
teams, and
Yes, yes.
yeah, every players know that how to play in every condition. It means I think that you know that how to play that every condition. If you going to be pressure in CSK teams, then you know that how to play and come out the pressures. Yes, yes. So I can say that.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, but you know, some people are in MI team. You know, that in previous time, MI teams, previous IPL season, in MI team, the Rohit Sharma as a captain. But now this IPL season in MI team, Hardik Pandya as a captain, and people are think like that Hardik Pandya have no experiments to handle the means captain role. And whenever the Hardik Pandya play the cricket in the ground, then people are means say like that, see looking like that chapri. So what do you say about that?
I think that, ma'am, yeah, it is the fan
People are saying like that chapri, it is good or
what compared to the Hardik Pandey.
Yes,
But you know that, ma'am, when captain MI is Hardik Pandya, every player not take decision too properly.
yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you for giving me a wonderful
Mr.
opinion.
Yeah,
May I know what's your name?
yeah, I am Sakir Ali.
Well, Mr. Sakir, you know that nowadays means IPL has started.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know that in IPL a very wonderful and amazing players are playing like a CSK, RCB, KKR, and MI. So according to you, which is going to left this IPL trophy?
To my mind means, ma'am, SRH2 will be winner this year.
Can I know the reason?
Yeah, I have lots of reason behind it for SRH team. You know that means if I talk about that player, they have a more extremely good player and extremely have lethal batsmen and bowler. And if I talk about means all rounder means Adam Akram. Adam Akram one of the number one all rounder in this year. So to my mind, in this year to be will SRH team.
But you know, Mr. in RCB team, majority of the people think like that CSK or RCB win this IPL trophy because in CSK means the god of cricket MS, okay, and in RCB the king of cricket Virat, okay. You know that people's and majority of the people are thinking like this, only comparing the two teams, RCB or CSK. You are the first person that you are feel like that as SRH will win this IPL trophy. Means you give any record of SRH team.
First of all, if I talk about SRH team, SRH team one time has been become a champion IPL trophy. And now this time, if I talk about SRH team, has a SRH team one of the number one player in this.
Please give me some classic and wonderful players name of SRH team.
SRH, if I talk about means about this player name, you know that Henry Klassen. Now this time Henry Klassen extremely well performed for SRH team. So that's why to my mind now this year SRH will be winner this IPL.
Thank you for giving me your amazing
Hi
words.
ma'am. Hello.
How are you?
This is Puspa.
Puspa. Oh my god, it's a so nice name. Okay. So, you know, nowadays IPL has started on, okay, and people are just talking about IPL. There is the fever of IPLs. Everyone or everywhere, just people are talking about IPLs, okay. So, means according to you, which team is going to win this IPL?
CSK.
CSK. So thank you guys for talking with me and joining with me, and I really enjoyed to talk to you all. So guys, I hope you would like this video. So please like this video and share this video and tell me in comment box that according to you which team is going to win this IPL trophy. And I'm back very soon with another videos. So till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.